Hello guys, today I'll be talking about OSINT framework. So what is OSINT framework? OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence. So all the data that is open source and is available to everyone. So if we want to know an information about a person or a company, we can extract all the information from the open source that are all available, and we can filter it out according to our needs to know about that person or a company. This is the general definition for open source intelligence. So normally in the reconnaissance phase of cybersecurity, what we will do is we will do some OSINT like open source intelligence gathering to know about a company in case of penetration testing or a person perhaps. So the threat actors, what they will do is they will uh, look for all the details about a person in open source, and they will try to gather everything and try to hack into their systems based on the information that have been collected. So today I want to talk about only one website, the website that is very much useful. This is like a starting part for OSINT, open source intelligence. So the website is open source osintframework.com. So here you can see there is a kind of a mapping that has been started from OSINT framework, and there are a lot of mappings here. So what does this signify? So this gives you a list of all the tools that are available for free, or either if it's paid, at least some part of the tool will work for free to help you gather the open source information that you require for your purposes. So I strongly suggest you to stick to the positive needs of penetration testing rather than doing some illegal activities, as hacking someone is totally illegal. So we will see about what are the positive aspects of finding information about a person or company, and how OSINT framework website will help you cater to your needs. So here I can see the first one is username. So if I want to collect usernames about some person's companies or enumeration, etc., so I just click on this and it will give you two options: username search engines and specific sites. I'll expand these both as well, and here you can see a lot of tools have been given here that you can use to collect information about usernames. There is name check, name checker, usersearch.org, what is my name, etc., etc. So this might be a starting point if you want to know about the tools that can collect usernames. This is the starting point you can come to. So I can go to the next one, email addresses. So this will give you some data where you can find email addresses of people. You can see there are a lot of tools available here for your needs. You can just browse on your own. I'm just showing you some interesting features available in this website, so you can kickstart from here, and you can get IP addresses, images, social networks, instant messaging, people, search engines. I'll just minimize this. Dating also you can see if a lot of websites are available for dating, finding users in the dating websites. Telephone numbers, public records, business records, transportation, geolocation maps, search engines, forums, blogs, lot of things are there. I want to go here. Even you can see terrorism is there. What kind of database you can get from terrorism. And if you want to access the dark web, which is very much not safe, but if you want to access the dark web, you can see that these are the ways you can do it. There are a lot of ways you can access the dark web. One is the well-known way of Tor. I2P is well-known, but you can see a lot of ways are there. And here you can see hidden wiki is there, and digital currencies, encoding, decoding tools. If you want any tools related to encoding, as well as decoding. You can find it here, and this is a generic tools, and you can see for recon purposes, virtual machine, multi-go, everything is here. If you want to know about exploits, you can see a lot of exploit DB is there, a lot of databases there, CVE, CVSS, these are all well-known websites. And for threat intelligence, operation security, documentation, training. So as you can see, this OSINT framework is a website that you can utilize to kickstart your understanding in open source intelligence. So we'll be going inside the tools as well in the upcoming videos. So for now, I'm wrapping it up for the day. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.